shake. You had some bananas, strawberries, and blueberries up in there. Look at that. Beautiful. Now we're about to taste test this bitch. Shit's so good, bro. But yeah, we're gonna get started with this video, man. We're gonna talk about why you need to stop overthinking. About stop overthinking, man. This is a good one, man. First, I want to start back to. I want to rewind to when I was really fat. I already started going to the gym. Got my gym membership. Man, I feel you. And I remember trying to go to the gym and feeling like everybody was gonna look at me. And you know, I sat in the car and I was like, man, you know, shut your gay ass up. That need to be overthinking. You need to get the fuck up, get out of this fucking car, and get your ass in the gym. That's literally what I told myself. And you know what I did? I got the fuck up when I was at the gym. Yeah, I was nervous. I ain't gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? I used to get really bad anxiety going out. You know, just being in public, and it just was the reason for that was because I wasn't used to it. I wasn't used to being out. You know what I'm saying? I was stuck at home. You know, growing up as a kid, and shit was rough. You know what I'm saying? It's like a best example I can give you, man. It's like a roller coaster. First time you get on, it's scary. You get on again, it's still a little bit scary, but it's just a little bit less scary. You know, so you do it over and over and over. You know what I'm saying? Roller coasters, they don't be scary no more. You know what I'm saying? So the same thing is with the gym. I think that's where anxiety comes from. Like the sick that you overthink. You know what I'm saying? Like my days be so busy now that I don't even have time to fucking sit and think. You know what I'm saying? Like when I'm constantly busy, I don't really be thinking a lot about little bullshit like that. Like I wake up, I'm going to the gym now. You know, so I'm already used to it. But I do remember when I started, you know, I would overthink and I had to self-talk to myself. You know what I'm saying? I do a lot of self-talk on the day. Even going for work, you know, a lot of people are scared of what people think. You know what I'm saying? They're like, oh, you know, people are gonna think this and that. Man, fuck what they think. If you go to the gym and people are staring at you, Bing mug that nigga back. Or her, whatever the fuck it is. And fuck them. You know what? You should be like, huh! Stick that middle finger out. Shit, but seriously, man, you know what I'm saying? Anytime that you see yourself overthinking, sit down, take some deep breaths, shut your mouth, relax, and really sit there and think. Do people really care what you're doing? Don't nobody care. Everybody's in their own fucking world. You get what I'm saying? I remember I used to get anxiety going out to drive, bro. That shit was crazy. It's the same thing as like we're talking to women, you know what I'm saying? The first time you do it, you're a little nervous. You know what I'm saying? You're scared and shit. But the more that you do it, the better you get at it, the smoother you become. Same thing, you know what I'm saying, with everything. Me even starting with this YouTube, you know what I'm saying? This is not my best level yet. I just started doing this. I know I'm gonna get better. You don't think I'd be nervous trying to make a video sometimes? But when I first started, I was like, damn, what the fuck am I gonna talk about? What am I gonna do? And honestly, shit, I'm just gonna keep uploading. I know I'm gonna get better. I'm gonna get better. Same thing. I think the thing is that I'm used to this already. You see, still do door-to-door sales to this day. Door-to-door sales, if any one of y'all have tried it, it's tough. I didn't make no money my first 2 months going door-to-door, bro. I didn't know how to sell. But what I did know was that I was going to gain a lot of communication skills, a lot of knowledge, you know, with this job, so I stuck by it. I remember when I started this job, bro, people used to fucking tell me, my mom, my sisters, my brothers, they used to tell me that this wasn't a good job, that I should get another job. Even my mom, you know what I'm saying, that shit would hurt me, honestly. It would hurt me when, I remember one day she told me, when are you gonna get a real job? You know what I'm saying? And that day, I remember that shit hurt me. I was like, fuck. But you know what? I stuck by my side. I stuck by what I felt was right, and I kept pushing. And here I am, baby, still surviving. Stop overthinking, man. Really, like really. do a lot of self-talk. That's how I got over it. For me, it was more about like the pride thing. Right? I sit in that car, I'm like, are you really being a little bitch? Are you really gonna be a little bitch? But that's what I had to do to talk to myself. You know what I'm saying? Just get the fuck up and go to the gym. You know, I had like 2 people ask me that too. They were like, it's because I'm scared of what people looking at me. And it doesn't matter. Everybody's in their own fucking world. Don't nobody give a fuck. Nobody cares. Nobody cares. And if they do, fuck them. Like I said, get your ass in the gym. Do what the fuck you gotta do. And get out. As you get better, you start getting results. You see what I'm saying? It feels good. It feels good. Think about those things instead of thinking of all the negative shit that you got going on in your head. Focus on the positives, right? Focus on, oh, after I go to the gym, I'm gonna feel good because I went to the gym. After going to the gym consistent for 3 months, oh, I'm gonna look better. I'm gonna look great. I'm gonna look better. I'm gonna feel better. What motivated me, I was like, man, I need to get my ass in it. When I left my ex, bro, I was fucking fat. I ain't getting no attention, bro. You know what I'm saying? I was literally sitting in my apartment, had eczema all over my nose, my hair, bro. I'm sitting there, I'm like, damn, what the fuck have I become? I let myself go. And I remember sitting there and I was like, you know what? It's time for a change, man. I was drinking a lot, partying, doing drugs, you know, and that wasn't the life that I wanted to live in. So I realized, I'm like, man, I gotta make a big change, man. This is it. It's time. It's time. And I got the fuck up and I did what I had to do, man. I started going to the gym little by little, getting better. Was it hard? Fuck yeah. And I remember coming back to the gym, I tried to go on the squat rack. My hamstrings were locked, man. I had to get a deep tissue massage, unlock my hamstrings, stretch the bitches out. Man, shit was hard. But you gotta keep pushing. I focused on the goal, the end result. I focused on the positive things, not on the negative things. If I sat there, oh, people didn't think this and that. Oh, no, I'm scared of the gym. You know, man, fuck that. I'm a fucking man. I'm getting my ass in that fucking gym, get my fucking workout and get the fuck out. I'm gonna do what I have to do. Gotta sacrifice, man. Gotta get shit done. And I'm not telling y'all that I'm perfect. I know that I'm not perfect. I still got battles that I'm fighting every day. I know you got battles that you're fighting every day. We all got problems. We all got problems we gotta solve. Ain't nobody perfect. It's like, man, fuck that. It's time for change, man. You know what I'm saying? And I think I'll be mixing my play with work. Can't be doing that, bro. I'm starting to learn that when I go to work, I go to work. After work, I can play. But during work, I gotta work. There's some things I'm dealing with, right? Even with my foods, man. I'm trying to eat cleaner. You know what I'm saying? I would sit there overthink it. Like, fuck that, bro. Just eat cleaner. Change. Stop eating chips. Stop eating fast food. Stop eating all the bullshit. Change it for good food. I started eating more fruits. I've been eating oranges, apples, bananas, strawberries, blueberries. Bruh. And you can see it, bro. You can see that change, bro. Look at that shit, baby. Look at that chest. Look at that shit. It's a natural gains, baby. You're doing this shit. You can do it too. You can do it too. But you got to put in the work. You gotta put in the work. Alright? So that's all I got for today. Stop overthinking and get shit done, alright? Peace.